Hi, my name is Mark Darwin from Zaroa, New Zealand. We create mastercrafted artisan meats. And today I wanted to introduce you to our Pohutukawa smoked Angus beef, 18-hour slow-cooked, sous vide cooked brisket. We take a pot of hot water, bring it to a boil. We then pull that on the temperature to allow it to get to a medium heat. And we take our brisket and simply add it into the pot. We leave this now in for the next 25 to 30 minutes and just let that reheat. Really tender, super juicy, and there's this gorgeous smoky flavor from the Pohutukawa that comes on through. I've left the brisket in there for 30 minutes. It is a larger size, so I needed to get a couple of extra minutes. I'm gonna take this out. We then slice it in the bag. There you have it. It's ready to heat, ready to eat meat. Now available at zaroa.nz online or at your local Farrow Fresh.